Okay, so we have Ice Barrier combo plus deck list, and this list is actually I'm copy from a China player, and I feel like this deck is looks solid. I think I will back to this list later after I show you this combo sample. I have two combo videos. Both are use one card only. One card plus one random card, and you need to open this refill of the ice barrier, this one. If this card is so you can discard one card plus summon one ice barrier from Tanner from your deck, and this is literally the main combo in this deck. Discard random card, and you can special summon this Hexa, and Hexa you can send one level 3 or lower ice barrier. You can send this new ice barrier card, this Mirror Magic Master, and if this card is sent to grave, you can add ice barrier card that is banished or in your deck. This card is really strong. And for example, for this first combo, I add this Georgius, and you can free summon this from your hand even though this card is level 6. It's also Tanner. Free summon from hand, and if this card is normal or special, I believe, you can spell summon one level 5 or lower from your hand or grave, ice barrier. And because I think almost everything this ice barrier, it will have restriction that you can only summon water monster. So that's why you need this Lancia. This Lancia is really strong because once per turn, if your opponent spell summon monster, you can spell summon one ice barrier from your deck extra or grave, and you can change one opponent attack position monster to different position. And you can only use this twice per turn, so you can summon 2 in opponent turn. This is really strong cards. And you can use this Mirror Magic tribute 1 under effect monster and spell summon up to 3 token level 1. You need this Coral Dragon, it's water and it's Tanner, so you can use this for synchro material. And next you can have this Drag Cat, this level 8 synchro water, and this card is like Omni-Negate for spell or trap. And with Coral you can get one throw. For example, if your opponent spell summon, you can free summon from Lancia. Let's say you summon this one, this General Raiho. This card is a bit annoying because it forces your opponent to discard one card, or their effect monster on the field will negate. So for example, it forces my opponent discard one card to resolve this effect, and once again free summon from Lancia, and for example I summon this, or you can actually summon anything you want, because you can also summon from your grave. Let's say you can summon this Georgius, and you can summon another ice barrier from your grave. This is just sample. Also, you can also summon from your extra 2. I believe you can summon Trisula, but it not count as synchro summon, so you cannot use this. use this effect that banish opponent card. But if you want to like have big monster, you can summon Trisula from your extra deck. Yeah, it depends with your situation, but from one card, I think this setup is fine, especially with this General Raiho. Second combo, I have same starting hand, have a similar way to start this combo, but this time you can search this side, this wins over the ice barrier. Tribute any number of ice barrier monsters per summon from your deck that many level 4 or lower monster with different name from each other. Also during your main phase, set the tune this card was sent to grave. You can banish this. Target one of your ice barrier that banish or engrave at to your hand. So this card is a really good card, especially for grind game, because next turn you have this card to recover your advantage or resolve. Okay, so I forgot to mention about this, because you not add this one, this one. Yeah, because I'm not at this Georgius, so you need to summon this first, this Anemone, and help you to summon this Mirror Magic Master, and effect of has summon 3 token, and tribute 3, and special summon this 3. Force this Speaker of the Ice Barrier. You can banish this from grave to summon token, so that's why I summon this. And another one, I have this Spellbreaker. You can send one ice barrier from your hand to grave, and neither player can activate spell card until end of next turn. So this card is literally anti-spell fragrance for this deck, and with this refiller effect, you don't need to discard ice barrier from your hand, because this refiller will instead to activate this Spellbreaker. And for this example, I summon this first, this Croco Dragon, because I will get a free draw from this Sandcrow. And you can use Spellbreaker. Also, you need to control this on the field to prevent opponent activate a spell card. And that's why I summon second Hexa. It's because this card is level 1, so I need to summon Lancia in opponent turn. With Lancia, I can summon this General Raiho. And let's say you can summon other monster like Georgius level 6, and you will have like 2, 3 of like 5 monster on the field, and which is really really good with one card only. And this is the list I make. I change some staple from this China player, and yes, you can see this list don't have like a lot of ice barrier monster, only few. Let's say this 2 new cards, you need to play 3 because this card is really strong, and other cards for this old ice barrier yeah, you need to play this 3. This is mandatory for 3, and under else you only need 1 because this card is like a brick. Let's say this General Raiho, Spellbreaker, this Speaker. Also this Hexa you can play 2 it's enough, I think 3 it's too much. And for under spell, Medallion, this is alternate art and it's look cute. You need to play 3 because it's not per turn, it's like reinforcement of the army for this deck. And wins over the Aspera you only need 1. This card is really strong too. And under Aspera card we have this Freezing Chains. It's like a monster weapon for this deck, and it's continuous. Also it prevent your Ice Barrier from your extra deck, I believe, unaffected by opponent monster effect. Unaffected by activated effect from opponent monster that were spell summoned from extra deck. I think this card is really strong when you going second too, especially like play against SP Little Neck. And under card, this Ice Jet, Aikirin, this is just like extender for this deck because you will guarantee to have a Lancia with this Ice Jet alone. Let's say you open this Ice Jet plus random water monster, because you need to discard the water monster and spell summon this card from your hand, and you can spell summon level 3 token. You can summon this Lancia. Swap Frog is like extender for this deck. This is just an option, you can cut it if you don't like it. I just put this because I feel like this is good extender, but maybe you can cut it. And under S is just a staple. I like the idea about this Super Polymerization because this is really popular in OCG right now, because you can like brick board card for this current meta. I think everything play this Super Poly if you have more space in your extra deck. And under else is just staple. And also if you play TCG you can play Toad. Toad is banned in OCG, and I think this deck is will good in TCG because they have Toad, and you can really easy to summon Toad in this deck. Let's say you can make Bahamut Shark and summon Toad, and it will prevent from Nibiru. And extra deck Anemone is like mandatory for this deck, is like monster ribbon for this deck. You only need 2 water monsters, so you can use token water. Coral Dragon, it's Tanner and level 6, and you can get 1 throw from this card. This Croco Dragon, I think this card is mandatory too. Baron, I think it's a bit hard to summon this, especially when you going first, but I think after you make set up play in opponent turn, and you can get a lot of value from Lancia, I think next turn you can summon this card really easy, and just to make sure your OTK is success. And changing its water, so you can really easy to summon it. Mutura and Garua is Super Poly target. And Trisula, you can summon this with Lancia. These 2 Trisula, literally you can summon these 2 with Lancia. Yeah, exit rank 4 because Toad is banned, so you can use this Kraken instead. And if you play TCG, you can play Bahamut Shark instead. And yeah, I think that's it.